thought I'd go through the final items in my first aid kit because I didn't need everything that I brought. I have a poison ivy wipe. I just need that because I'm allergic. A sting relief pad. I ended up going with like 3 large band-aids, and if I needed something smaller, I could cut them down, but I never needed to. My tent repair kit, mattress repair kit. 2 hot hands for the beginning of the journey. And my Advil are in here because they have a sugar coating, so they couldn't go with my other medications in my tent. And aqua tabs. A lot of people don't talk about these, but I was using them along the entire trail, not just in the Smokies. Norovirus was everywhere, and you want to be really careful where you're pulling your water from. If you see a stream and a little pool of water in a stream, everyone is going there to wash up. So make sure you go above that place to get your water and treat your water. I have 2 pieces of KT tape. I have 1 feminine wipe, and I have all my tooth care. Let me see, tooth care items right there. This also serves as sewing repair because I have a needle in my duct tape. I actually did need duct tape to repair my rain pants, so that worked out well. Nail clippers, tweezers, razor. Not everyone brings that. I have my Sawyer spare gasket. Glad I had it because I did have mine fall out and I needed another one. Spare hair ties are in here, not really first aid, but... And I had 1 pack of anti-itch cream, which I really did use. There was a point where I got bitten by something really badly on my wrist, and I was glad to have it that one day. But it's not necessary. You could just kind of grin and bear it. Anyway, those are the final items that I went with in my first aid kit. I didn't end up using super glue. I actually took that out at the hotel before I started the trail. One final item I added, it's not in here because I lost it now, but here's a small Vaseline, and I actually had the regular formula. I didn't have this one, but a tiny thing of Vaseline was amazing to have because first of all, you could use it as a lip balm. Second of all, as you saw in my other video, knock bottles, everyone's knock bottle sliders were locking up. So having Vaseline on them, especially after you got to a hostel or hotel and you're washing them all out, it would wash away the Vaseline and you need more to kind of keep the slider sliding on the back of the bottle. Also, if there was ever a day where the seams, for me, it was the seams of my shorts one day because we were splashing in water to keep cool. My shorts were getting wet and they were getting a little abrasive. So I didn't have Body Glide because that's like a huge container, but I did have a little bit of regular formula Vaseline in a little jar just like this. I don't know where it is. And I put a little bit of that on and didn't have any issues after that. So it's a great substitute and a lot lighter than a Body Glide, and it has multiple uses. So also for wound care, you can use this. So definitely worth, again, the regular formula, not the rosy lips, whatever that is. So that is everything that was in my first aid kit.
Things are scary, cemetery, red widow.